Mina I can tell you for free mfethu ukuthi ukuba ignorant kuyi-choice ke kulesi sikhathi samanje yabo. It's just your choice nje because information is out there yabo. And unfortunately information is what you are, and it's what's gonna make you prosper, and it's what you are going to use eternally. Information, because all the things you see, this physical universe, the universe is comprised of information yabo. So uma ngabe kuwukuthi wena ignorant, i-choice yakho leyo, and umele wazi ukuthi ezinye izinto they just become obsolete. Wena musabambelele kuzona, it's just a matter of time ukuthi zicollapse nje phambi kwakho yabo. Ngikusholani ke lokhu, ngikushola ukuthi ngiyazwa nje abanye sebethi we are in the age of Aquarius. Asikakabikho ku-age of Aquarius, but we are by the end of the age of Pisces yabo. Because uma ukuthi lento ikhuluma based on the precision of the equinox, then you are not yet there, because you know the precision of the equinox takes 2150 or 66 years, you see. So now we are in 2026. You see which we still have some long walk to go, or long way to go. So yeah, izinto ke obuzazi, they will collapse, and they are collapsing right now, step by step. Ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasho sikungenzana noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani, ngoba impilo ayisiyona into ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. Yabona, when I was talking about the age, these global cycles, it takes 411 years. Le enye yenza ngo-1616 ngokuyi-cross of planning. That was like kind of industrial age yabo. So cross of planning, now we're formulating things, medicine, what you call this, engineering, all these things that we built through the age of planning, but through the cross of planning, I mean. But 2027, I used to tell you, according to the prophecy of Ra Uruhu, the founder of the human design system, 2027 is the beginning of the new cycle. So accept the shift from 2027 going forward. Expect the shift rather. So okunye ke futhi angithi yabo ukuthi wena umuntu osabheka ukuthi kumele ukuthi kube khona umuntu okutshela izinto ezithile. Kumele kube khona umuntu okuphathela izinto. Kumele uphathelwe ipension yakho. Kumele utshele ukuthi esontweni iba njani. Kumele kube yabona into yokutshelwa nje nokushayela umthetho nokuba rigid.